In this tutorial, I will show you that how can fix trading disabled error in MT5 in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. This error is common and in most cases, it's super easy to fix it. So, this error does not always mean your account is banned. There are multiple reasons why MT5 disables trading. The first reason can be check if your market is closed or not. Forex pairs closed on weekends. Indices, commodities, crypto follow broker specific timings. You can simply come to these codes and check if these values are running or not. If these values are still, it means market is closed. The second thing that you can check is verify your trading account status. Are you using a demo account that expired? Is your real account not verified yet? Did your broker temporarily restrict trading? You can simply check your trading account status from these settings. And if you see at the header, you will see your account logged in. And here you can look for messages like account verification pending or trading disabled. The third reason can be insufficient balance or margin uses. MT5 won't always say no money. Sometimes it just says trading disabled. You can check free margin, leverage and minimum lot size. If your balance can't support the trade, MT5 blocks it. And the last thing that you can do is simply contact your broker. If everything looks correct and trading is still disabled, don't guess. Simply contact your broker's live chat or support. Says, I'm getting in trading disabled error in MT5. Please check my account. And they usually fix it in minutes. So that's it. So that's how you can fix trading disabled error in MT5.